The journey of a prop trader could be very hard because you need to pass the challenge and then you need to get access to a funded account. And in this process, you need to stick with very, very strict rules and you need to make sure that you're disciplined and consistent. Therefore, some traders might be pushed to cut the corners and try to gamble their way to funded account and eventually even to profit. But what does it mean to gamble? What is gambling in prop trading jargon? I'm here on the website of the prop trading firm VeloTrade, and let's take as an example this challenge, the 50K account available for $540. In order to pass the challenge and get access to the funded account, you need to hit a profit target of 10%. Now, many traders might simply gamble their way to these 10% by taking a large position in a single trade and trying to make as much as they can in terms of percentage to get closer to this profit target and eventually even hit it. That means that with one single trade, one single hit, you would have passed the challenge. Now, you might say, oh, that's great, that's fantastic. But it goes against the old philosophy of prop trading, which is you need to demonstrate to the company, to the firm, that you are a disciplined trader, that you have an edge, and that happens across multiple trades. That's what the company needs to give you a funded account, an account with some capital inside, even if it's simulated, but you can use it to generate real profit. Therefore, this is considered gambling. Many prop trading firms would ban this behavior and they would very clearly say in their rules that they would suspend the account or interrupt the challenge if they see this type of behavior in a prop trader. Now, obviously, this is something that pisses off many traders that find their account interrupted or banned, and they would not hesitate to call the prop firm a scam. But if you think about that, if you put yourself in a prop firm shoes, you would realize that this type of behavior just does not have value. You don't see good traders through this behavior, and from a business perspective, it's extremely dangerous. If the prop trading firm would allow this behavior, would allow everybody to trade with this so-called strategy, they would be likely to go out of business in no time. Other trading behaviors, for example, martingale or averaging down, are among the trading strategies or behavior often forbidden by prop trading firm. For example, VeloTrade includes averaging down among prohibited strategy, which is basically when you add to a losing position despite clear signals against that type of trade. So now that as a beginner prop traders, we understood the concept of gambling and we have been through the rules and we understood that prop trading firms do not really like this type of trading behavior, the question is it still possible to be profitable with prop trading even without this type of extreme strategies? The short answer is yes, you can be profitable, but you need a mindset switch. You need to completely change the way you think of prop trading. You need to take small positions and you need to have a repeatable edge, which means that you need to prove your winning strategy across multiple trades and multiple trading days. This is how prop firms filter out the gamblers and they make sure that you are a good trader. If I ask AI what the key conditions for non-gambling profitability are, they would indicate 3 bullet points, the first of which is the positive expectancy and the defined risk per trade that shouldn't go over 1 to 2%. So your stop loss should always be coherent with daily loss caps, max drawdown, and you always should check the band strategy that are normally displayed on the website of a prop firm. And eventually they also advise to keep a long-term mindset. Instead of going for the one-shot gambling to pass your challenge and access the funded account, you should keep a slow, steady growth and leverage the compounding rules. So to wrap up this video, the answer is yes, you can be profitable in prop trading without gambling, but you need to be very disciplined. You need to keep a low risk per trade approach, and you need to avoid a high exposure in terms of net equity per single trade. And most importantly, you need to leverage the law of compounding. You need to have a winning edge that is repeatable so that you can compound on your winnings over time. Now, as you can see, prop trading is not that sexy way to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to get instant money with a single trade. These things are not allowed. They're not encouraged in a prop trading environment. Prop trading is the opposite. It requires a long-term approach and is something that you need to develop over time. You need to develop the skills to trade in a strict framework of rules, and eventually you can become profitable. Now, how much money you're going to make and how long it will take to master the skills to do well in a prop trading environment will be the topic for another video. For this video, I'm going to wrap up here. I hope that this information was useful to you. And if you want to learn more, if you want to undertake the journey to become a profitable prop trader together with me as a beginner, all the way along, feel free to follow the channel, feel free to give a like, or if you have a comment on this video, if you want to say your opinion, that's welcome. You can put it below in the comment. See you next time. If you are a prop trader, or if you are a trader interested in digging into the prop trading space, or if you are a crypto trader interested in having a founded account, I am currently selecting a number of traders to test a new crypto native prop trading platform. So if you have a social media presence, if you have a channel, if you have a website or a network, just send me a message. I would be more than happy to give you a free challenge to test the platform and start to collaborate together. I'm gonna put the email in the description of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.